Welcome to Changzhou Proluxe Home Technology Co. We are a leading SPC, WPC, and acoustic slat panels manufacturer headquartered in the Yangtze River Delta, the industrial core region of China. With over 10 years of experience, we specialize in designing and producing high-quality wall systems for commercial, residential, and large-scale construction projects. Our modern factory is equipped with advanced automated production lines, ensuring consistency, precision, and high-volume output. Every panel goes through strict quality control, from raw material inspection to final packaging, meeting international standards such as CE, SGS, and B1 fire ratings. In our sample rooms, a wide range of textures, finishes, and installation systems are available, all fully customizable through our OEM and ODM services. Our spacious warehouse enables fast loading and on-time delivery for both domestic and global shipments. Whether you're a distributor, contractor, or brand owner, Proluxe is your reliable partner for wall panel solutions, delivering flexible MOQ, stable supply, and full technical support. Proluxe, create a better future with you. Hammer and wrench want it tailored further? If you provide a rough cut or breakdown of what happens at each time,